On your dashboard page, all of your licenses will be listed. On each state license card, you can find quick information like the expiration date, the number of tasks you still need to complete, and the total number of credits that have been completed for this license cycle. You can then click into each state license card for more in-depth information regarding each license. At the top of the page, you'll see the expiration date listed with the link out to the medical board website. You'll then see each task for this particular state license listed below. You can see additional information in this drop-down arrow on the right of the task, which provides information directly from the state website regarding that requirement. Once you complete a requirement by means of CME courses, the tasks will move from the Up Next section to the Completed section. You can upload any CME certificates or transcripts directly into your file cabinet, or you can email them directly to trackcme@mockingbird.com. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at contact@mockingbird.com. Thank you.